Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a plan with me, and it's going to be no white space because that is what I'm just feeling. Does anyone get like the urge of just like you need to do something? No white space is my urge. So I'm using this kit from Arctic Paper Studio, and it is so much foiled goodness. I mean, can you see why this absolutely deserves a no white space? My camera's dying. Literally, let me put this box down that is on my hand. Let's kind of come up. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put that down and let me change my battery. And just like movie magic, we're back, but I went ahead and zoomed in so I can go ahead and get this washi down. I really like the colors of this kit. It's kind of a good like dusty purple to neutral. I'm feeling it. Oh, I should have reversed it though. Oh, I can reverse this. Durr. Sometimes logic is difficult. So that's interesting. Are these way two separate sizes? Because I have it like almost up and there's like way down there. Or is my Erin condom messed up? Let's be real, it's probably that. Because this one looks smaller on the box. I don't know. We're moving on. So, I mean, even like this like shipping, I mean, this is awesome. I'm feeling this kit. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna come in and do my white space bar because I really like the white space bar. It doesn't make it seem so crammed. Like I can feel like my left side can get really crammed if I use no white space. So this is rose gold foil. I don't know if I mentioned that. Their work. Are these the only headers? Yes. So we'll do important for work because that can be important. Come down. Perfect. Oh, that's right. I moved this up. I'm like, why is there so much room? I think I'm gonna stick one of these down here. Yeah, that'll be good. And then we'll do it this week. Perfecto. I don't know if that's gonna even fit. I mean, it does if I just like tuck it under. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna grab a little piece of washi just to cover that little area. There we go. Perfect. I don't know how much was in frame. I forgot. I zoomed in quite a bit. So I'm not versed in how these new boxes work. So remember how I always said I hate when shop owners put down headers first and then go back in and have to readjust? Well, in the new one, if you don't know where you're placing it, I can see why that would really suck. Do I want to color block these? Probably. Yeah, that really sucks. Now I know why I hate that. Because I guarantee, well, now that I know where it is, I may be able to. Although I'll have to do it on the other one. Hey, that one's pretty good. Oh my god, this kit is so pretty. Oh man, it's been a minute since I have filmed a plan with me. I'm not gonna lie, like a long minute. Especially a no white space plan with me. Like that may be even longer because I've been super into white space, and I was doing a couple no white space kind of like in the middle. Like I would do maybe a couple no white space and then like a lot of white space, but you know, I don't want to say I miss it because that is, it might be true, but I really like white space as well. I guess, yeah, I haven't done that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that side too. So it went gray. So I think I just want to go purple, this color, that gray, and that color. So it was like a hairline below. So I'm just gonna, yeah. I'm just gonna assume that I got it at least really close. Because I really, really, really hate readjusting headers so much. I think I'm gonna end on a purple as well. Okay, then I'll grab my to-do. So I like that she has 3 to-dos and todays. Granted, I don't necessarily need all of those, but like it really gives you the option to really come in and do your headers the way you want. Perfect. And then I'm gonna just slip today's under these guys. So Mike and I spent pretty much the whole day together. We haven't done that in a long time because usually we're out doing things with friends. Like we haven't just had like a, what's the word? Like, I don't want to say a date night because we do date nights, but we spent like the whole day together. It was really nice. I'm gonna grab this one because that one's stuck. No, it's not. So we went to lunch. We went to like this place in East Cobb. It's a little bit away from us, but it was called Benny's. It was Cuban, and Mike's Cuban, so it worked out. It was really good. All right, I'm gonna do meal planning. You know, I'm gonna bring it down just because the bottom washi isn't lined up very well. So I'm just bringing it down. And I don't think I'm color blocking. At least the littles. Perfect. Perfect. And then I had to wake up super early. I'm gonna take an asterisk as well. Here, I kind of want to put this up here, but I don't think I am. Cute. All right, so one more asterisk and we'll do this guy. Ah, I just threw that across. It's super late too. It's almost like midnight. So that could be why I'm not really like overly talkative. So sorry about that. I was supposed to film this like way earlier, like, and have it be up for today. But that didn't work out. I have my nail video for tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna post this anyway. It may be super early and then I'll post the nail video later. It's just a nail haul. It's nothing like super fancy. Alrighty, and then I tend to binge watch a lot of things on TV on Sunday. Sunday's like my chill day. And then I gotta do something for Monday. Perfect. And then I need these guys, my bill due. I'll put this up here. And then I had a package actually come here and Saturday. So maybe I should put a bunch of my stuff up there and then just go down. I want like a fancy box. I might do my videos in these. 6. Did I not put one up this week? I think I didn't. Gonna get some washi here because y'all know I can't stand not having like squared half boxes. I'm kind of guesstimating here. Hey, I did pretty good, okay? I need a piece of washi. Stick this, oh, it's perfect. And then I can stick that like so. I really like how this is coming out. Take another piece of the 2 washies. And then bingo. Yeah, I love all this foil. It makes me so happy. And I have a really loud chair right now. But what else is new? That's super crooked, but it's going under 2 boxes, so it's fine. Oh my God, that's so cute. I love that. Yes, yes, yes. Add a TV in here. Okay. I think I can start adding some full boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with foil. So I think that one's not gonna have foil. I think I'm gonna put this one here. I kind of like this box is kind of open for you to write in. Like, I think that's really cute. Yes, I feel like that really helped the spread because I was like, wait, what's going on? Why does it look weird? It's because I just don't have my full boxes in. Can you tell I'm so awkward with planning with white space again? If you can't, I just pointed it out, so. I bet you that one would have been fine. Bingo. I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing again. Since these aren't, like these are a little bit older stickers, so they aren't as sticky. So I don't really have to worry about them like ripping the pages. Kind of want to put that one there. I hope I just didn't trim too much. Of course I did. But the header's gonna go there. Let me get all my sticker scraps because I'm a mess, okay? All right, so I need a little bit of washi here before I put the little thing's header down, because that will cover that little space. Let's do a box here. Perfecto. And then I will take little things here. Yeah. Little things here. Little thing. Little thing. I was worried that I wouldn't put that box high enough. So cute. Look at all this foil. Yeah, I think I'm just going to add these in here since I have them left on my page, and then I can fill them in if I want, like if I need them. Because I could always put YouTube like in there. I think I'm just gonna slip this guy in and that'll call it. Probably not, I lied. All right, finishing up. I know this is kind of a little bit of a boring plan with me. I'm sorry. I promise I will be more lively. Next one, I think I just waited too long to film this, so it's my own fault. I guess you don't necessarily need me to talk through every single part. Bam. Okay. Is there date covers? Because I feel like this one could use it. No. All right. This is where we're at. Look at all this foiled goodness. Oh my goodness. Like that is so beautiful. Like I just want to stare at it. So what I have left, some labels, a few headers, a little bit of washi, a couple full boxes, 2 ombres, and a lot of functional, which I feel like I can add these throughout the week, so no worries. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.